Welcome back, everyone. Chelsea Davis here. And a small Arizona bread company actually they were forced to find a new home for their bakery and their small business. But instead of looking back, they are rising to the occasion because we're talking about bread here. They've actually found a new home in downtown Mesa, if you guys want to check it out, and they're hoping to create a new sense of community. So in case you haven't heard of this business, it's called Proof. And you probably have heard of it if you've been to any of the local farmers markets. So Proof Bread, they make artisan sourdough and specialty breads. Owners Jonathan and Amanda were huge fans, and they actually bought the business from the original owners. And then they learned how to make bread 3 years ago. Now, they recently started construction on their new bakery in downtown Mesa. And while that's still under construction, they opened up what they're calling Main Street Market, just 2 doors down. It's a grocery store that features about 20 local producers, farmers, and vendors, and they have all of their goods there too, like vegetables, eggs, and meat.
We're here to represent all these local businesses and to be a bridge from like people sitting at home wondering where their food comes from. And well, here it is. This is like the people in the store are the ones actually making the food here locally. This is it.
This is it, they say. Now, the market is going to be open Tuesday through Sunday. That's 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. So if you want to check it out, Proof Bread is also sold there. Of course, you know, people say the proof is in the pudding. In this case, the proof is in the bread, literally and figuratively. So if you want to check out the details on them and all of the vendors, you can go to abc15.com/open. And we're always looking for more businesses to highlight for We're Open Arizona. So you can email us directly. That email address is openandaz@abc15.com.